The era of the budget Mac is officially over. For years, the Mac Mini was the reliable, quiet box sitting on your desk, the affordable entry point into the Apple ecosystem. It was the machine students bought when they wanted a Mac without paying laptop prices. It was the small office computer that could sit behind a monitor and run quietly all day without anyone noticing. But something has shifted deep inside the labs at Cupertino. Apple is no longer thinking about the Mac Mini as the cheap Mac. Instead, they are thinking of it as the most efficient desktop computer ever built. While everyone was looking at the redesigned M4 Mac Mini, Apple was secretly preparing something much bigger behind the scenes. A device so powerful, so efficient, and so radically different that it could completely change the way people think about desktop computing. Rumors and supply chain leaks suggest that Apple is preparing a new generation Mac Mini powered by the upcoming M5 chip, and the performance jump might be unlike anything we have seen before in a compact desktop. If these reports are even close to accurate, the Mac Mini is about to transform from a simple entry-level Mac into one of the most powerful small computers on the market. For years, the Mac Studio has been the machine professionals turned to when they needed serious power. Video editors, 3D artists, developers, and engineers relied on it because it packed enormous performance into a compact chassis. But with the upcoming M5 generation, Apple might be collapsing the gap between the Mac Mini and the Mac Studio. The new Mac Mini could offer workstation-level power while still keeping the small, elegant design that made it so popular in the first place. If that happens, the traditional hierarchy of Apple's desktop lineup might completely change. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest tech updates. If you are planning on buying a new Mac today, you might want to pause for a moment. What is coming next year could dramatically change what a desktop computer can do, especially in such a small form factor. The next Mac Mini is not just another yearly refresh. Everything about it points toward a major shift in how Apple designs its desktop machines. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the M5 chip. Apple has already shocked the industry with the efficiency and performance of its Apple Silicon processors. The M1 introduced the world to ARM-based Mac performance. The M2 refined that formula. The M3 pushed graphics and efficiency even further. And the M4 generation began focusing heavily on AI and machine learning acceleration. But the M5 is expected to go even further by introducing a new generation of chip architecture that could unlock massive performance gains. The M5 is rumored to be built using a third-generation 3-nanometer manufacturing process. That may sound like technical jargon, but the real-world effect is massive. Smaller transistors allow more computing power to fit into a smaller space while also improving efficiency. In practical terms, that means faster performance, lower power consumption, and less heat. Apple has already proven how powerful this combination can be, and the M5 may push it to a completely new level. One of the most interesting rumors about the M5 architecture involves something called fusion packaging. Instead of using a single chip die, Apple is reportedly experimenting with bonding multiple dies together into a single system-on-a-chip design. This allows the processor to behave like one massive chip, while actually being made from multiple pieces working together seamlessly. It's similar to how some high-end workstation processors work, but Apple's approach could be even more efficient because the company designs both the hardware and the software. Inside the M5 Pro version expected in the Mac Mini, reports suggest the chip could feature up to 18 CPU cores. Among these are a new class of extremely high-performance cores that some insiders have referred to as super cores. These cores are designed to deliver extremely fast single-threaded performance, which is critical for tasks like compiling software, processing complex calculations, or running demanding creative applications. In theory, these cores could become some of the fastest single-threaded processors available in any consumer desktop computer. For developers and professionals, this could translate into massive time savings. Projects that once took minutes to compile could finish in seconds. Complex 3D scenes could render faster. Video editors working with high-resolution footage could scrub through timelines without stuttering or lag. Even everyday tasks like running dozens or hundreds of browser tabs could become effortless. Early projections suggest the M5 could deliver around a 30% increase in multi-threaded performance compared with the M4 generation. To put that into perspective, the entry-level version of the M5 Mac Mini might rival the performance of Apple's M1 Ultra chip from just a few years ago. That chip powered some of the most expensive professional Macs available at the time. Seeing that level of performance appear in a tiny desktop box would be an incredible example of how quickly Apple Silicon continues to evolve. But raw CPU power is only part of the story. We are now living in the age of artificial intelligence, and Apple clearly understands that the future of computing will be heavily driven by AI features. The M5 chip is expected to be designed from the ground up to support Apple's expanding AI ecosystem, sometimes referred to as Apple Intelligence. This means more powerful neural engines, smarter GPU acceleration, and dedicated hardware designed specifically for machine learning workloads. In some reports, each GPU cluster may include dedicated neural processing capabilities that dramatically accelerate AI tasks. If that happens, the Mac Mini could become an incredibly powerful local AI workstation. Instead of relying on cloud servers, many tasks could run directly on the computer itself. This includes running large language models locally, performing real-time video segmentation, generating AI images, or processing complex data sets without sending information over the internet. Running AI locally has major advantages. It improves privacy because your data never leaves your machine. It also improves speed because results are generated instantly instead of waiting for remote servers to respond. For creators, developers, and researchers experimenting with AI tools, having this level of computing power sitting on a desk could open up entirely new possibilities. Beyond the chip itself, Apple is also refining the physical design of the Mac Mini. The recent redesign already shrank the device into an incredibly compact footprint, making it one of the smallest desktop computers capable of professional workloads. The M5 generation is expected to keep that compact design while improving internal cooling systems to handle the increased power of the new chip. Apple engineers are known for their ability to squeeze massive performance into small enclosures, and the Mac Mini is one of the best examples of that philosophy. Even with a more powerful processor, the machine is likely to remain quiet, efficient, and cool enough to sit on any desk without dominating the workspace. For many users, that combination of power and minimalism is exactly what makes the Mac Mini so appealing. Another major upgrade may come from Apple's networking technology. Reports suggest that future Macs could include a dedicated networking chip designed entirely by Apple. This chip would manage wireless communication, improving both speed and efficiency. With support for Wi-Fi 7 and next-generation Bluetooth, the Mac Mini could deliver extremely fast wireless connections with lower latency and better reliability. In modern work environments where cloud services, wireless accessories, and high-speed networking are essential, this kind of connectivity upgrade could make a significant difference. Large files could transfer faster, wireless displays could run more smoothly, and multi-device setups could feel more responsive overall. Then there are the ports, an area where the Mac Mini has always needed to strike a careful balance. Professional users rely heavily on connectivity options, and Apple has gradually expanded the number of high-speed ports available on its desktop machines. The next generation Mac Mini could include multiple Thunderbolt ports, high-speed USB connections, HDMI support for modern displays, and potentially even faster networking options. For creators running multiple monitors, external storage arrays, audio interfaces, or video capture devices, this flexibility is critical. A small desktop computer becomes far more powerful when it can connect to an entire ecosystem of professional hardware. If Apple manages to combine workstation-level performance with strong connectivity options, the Mac Mini could become one of the most versatile desktop computers available. All of these changes point toward a single conclusion. The Mac Mini is no longer just the cheapest way to enter the Mac ecosystem. It is evolving into something far more ambitious. Apple appears to be transforming it into a compact powerhouse capable of handling tasks that once required much larger and more expensive machines. If the rumors surrounding the M5 generation turn out to be accurate, the next Mac Mini could represent one of the most significant leaps forward in small desktop computing. A tiny aluminum box sitting quietly on a desk might soon rival the performance of machines that once filled entire workstations. And if that happens, the line between consumer desktops and professional workstations may begin to disappear entirely.